Students, welcome to our VVPS e-learning classes, and this is your maths class. Today we will continue from question number 13. So today's date 26 May 2020. Today's classwork exercise 2.3 and question number 13. 3 upon 4 within bracket 7x minus 1 upon 4 minus 2x minus 1 minus x upon 2 equal to x plus 11. First solve this bracket. 2x means 2x upon 1. So LCM is 2. 4x minus 1 plus x minus minus plus x equal to x plus 11. और लेफ्ट में क्या है 3 7x minus 1 4 4s are 16. So this is the second line. Now simplify this bracket and open this bracket. So when you open this bracket 21x minus 3 upon 16 minus 4x plus x, that is 5x minus 1 upon 2 equal to x plus 11. Now again LCM of the denominators 16 and 2, and the LCM is 16. 16 is the LCM. 16 1 is 16, तो ये न्यूमरेटर को किसी से मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. माइनस 2 8 is 16, so 8 into 5x minus 1 equal to x plus 11. Now open this bracket. 21x minus 3 minus 8 5s are 40x minus minus plus 8 equal to x plus 11. X plus 11 means x plus 11 upon 1. Now we can do the cross multiplication. 1 into this equal to 16 into x plus 11. 16 into x plus 11 and 1 into this. इसको simplify कर लूँ. 21x minus 40x, that is equal to minus 19x minus 3 plus 8, that is equal to plus 5 into 1 equal to this much. 16x plus 11 into 16 into x plus 11. So 16x plus 11 into 16, 11 6 is 66, 11 176. So minus 19x plus 5 equal to 16x plus 176. All the x in one side. Minus 19x minus 16x equal to 176 minus 5, that is equal to 171. 19x minus 16x, that is equal to minus 35x equal to 171. Therefore x equal to 171 upon minus 35. नीचे माइनस साइन नहीं लिखते हैं. So the answer is minus 171 upon 35. Question number 14. 5x minus 4 upon 8 minus x minus 3 upon 5 equal to x plus 6 upon 4. First solve it by taking the LCM of the denominators, which is equal to 40. उसके बाद cross multiplication. So this is your homework. Now question number 15. Question number 15. This is the question. तो थोड़ा simplify करके लिखते हैं. 2x plus 1 upon 5 minus x minus 2 upon 3 equal to 1 by 4. 3 is the LCM. 3x minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Now solving left hand side. 5 3s are 15 is the LCM. 3 into 2x plus 1 minus 5 into x minus 2 equal to 3x minus 1 upon 4 3s are 12 plus 3 by 2. When we solve the right hand side, the LCM is 12. 3x minus 1, 2 6s are 12, 6 3s are 18. And the left side, 6x plus 3 minus 5x plus 10. Simplify this. 6x minus 5x, that is x, plus 3 plus 10 plus 13 upon 15 equal to 3x plus 17 upon 12. Now do the cross multiplication. 12 into x plus 13, 15 into 3x plus 17. So 12 into x plus 13, that is 12x plus 156 equal to 45x plus 255, 105, 255. Then x in one side, 12x minus 45x equal to 255 minus 156, 12x minus 45x minus 33x equal to 99. So x equal to 99. That means x equal to minus 3. This is the answer of question number 15. Question number 16 next class में समझाएंगे. Just listen question number 17. The ages of Mohan and Ram are in the ratio of 5:7. जहाँ पर रेशियो है वहाँ पर हम x के साथ उसको एज्यूम करते हैं. Let the present age of Mohan, that is equal to, पहले मोहन है 5x and Ram, that is equal to 7x. 4 years later means after 4 years, 4 साल बाद, after 4 years. अगर अभी किसी का एज 10 years है तो 4 साल बाद कितना होगा? 14 years, 10 plus 4. इसी तरह अगर अभी किसी का एज 5x है तो उसका एज 4 साल बाद क्या होगा? +4. मोहन will be 5x plus 4 years old. Mohan's age will be 5x plus 4, and Ram, that is, he will be 7x plus 4. तो ये समझ में आया. अभी 5x है, 4 साल बाद होगा 5x plus 4. राम का एज अभी 7x है तो 4 साल बाद क्या होगा? 7x plus 4. And according to the question, it is given that the ages will be in the ratio of 3:4. So according to question, मोहन का एज है 5x plus 4 4 साल बाद, और राम का 7x plus 4, and their ratio will be 3:4. इसको आप सॉल्व करोगे, डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एक x की वैल्यू आएगी, जो भी x का वैल्यू आएगा आप यहाँ पर पुट करोगे. आई थिंक व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट, ये आप खुद करोगे, ये 4-5 स्टेप. x इक्वल टू 4. सो देयरफॉर प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ राम का है 7x, 7 into 4, 28 years. और मोहन का कितना है? 5x, दैट मीन्स 5 into 4, 20 years. दिस इज द आंसर. आपके लिए सिर्फ इसको सॉल्व करना है, ये आप लोग खुद सॉल्व करना. ये 2-3 लाइन. That's all. So in the next class we will finish this exercise. Thank you, class.